Hey viewers, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are going to discuss about Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, gold and silver. And I think market might give some upside in this week. So this video is very important to understand all the important supports and resistance for all these three indexes, as well as we are going to discuss about gold and silver. So stay tuned to this channel, watch complete video, and then take your investment and trading decisions. So let's go ahead and do the analysis on the trading view. So first we will see the economic calendar. There is one event on 24th of August, durable goods orders, that's coming on Thursday, but we have an important a speech on Friday by Fed Chairman Powell. So that information can give some, changes in the market. So let's go ahead and start our analysis on TradingView. In case you have not subscribed to this our channel, please go ahead. This is our channel. Search on the YouTube Stock Dr. RR and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon here. You will get the notification of all videos which I will make in the future on this channel. So let's go ahead do the analysis. First, we will see the Nasdaq 100. So I want to show you the big picture of the Nasdaq right now. On the monthly chart, Nasdaq 100 is kind of bearish. So let's adjust it here. Okay. So if you can see here, on the monthly chart, it's kind of bearish. This is a kind of bearish candle. If we see weekly also, on the weekly also, the weakness is getting continued because we have not crossed above 16,000 price, which was we were expecting to give a good breakout. And now if we check the daily candle, okay, in the day chart, I can see that if you have seen my video 3 weeks back, I was expecting around, you can see here in the 3 weeks back here, I was expecting profit booking in these indexes, and I clearly mentioned that 14,850 will be a good area where Nasdaq 100 should take the support, and then from there it should give the upside. Okay, because the reason was we had a very big upside from here. You can see from here non-stop upside started, and then here you can see the upside was kind of parabolic. You can see here these dotted lines here. Okay, and then it gave a breakdown, and it started correcting. Now I'm feeling that Nasdaq 100 will try to create one attempt for staying above 14,850. Okay, so you can see here it has created on the Friday, it has created a indecisive candle, which we called as our favorite candle doji. On Monday, once it starts trading above, if it starts trading above 14,850, then definitely the first target is 15,000. I missed to add the line here. 15,000 would be the first target. Second is 15,250, and third is 15,500. On the contrary, if it starts going down, then I feel that if it doesn't cross above 14,850 and stays below that, then gradually it can come towards 14,400. That would be a very important first support. So we will say it as a support number 1. If it retraces from here, then we are good. But if it breaks 14,400, then 13,975 is the second support here. So we will talk about these levels only. But right now, I'm kind of, you can say, bullish, because there was a 7 to 8% downside we have observed in this index. So these were the levels for Nasdaq 100. We will talk about Dow Jones. And remember, my friends, if Nasdaq 100 is going down, then definitely the stocks related to Nasdaq 100 will go down. If the Nasdaq 100 will go up, the stocks which have the higher weightage on the Nasdaq 100 will go up. So for example, for Nasdaq 100, we have this all the stocks. Okay. We have Excel, Tesla, Amazon, Meta, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Netflix, AMD, Nvidia. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do the analysis of the Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, the chart is already prepared. The same thing for the Dow Jones. All three indexes I observe same pattern on weekly and monthly. Weekly and monthly are showing some, uh, bearishness. Okay, this is a monthly. It is showing as it is forming a bearish engulfing pattern. In the weekly, we can see that there was a green candle followed by red, then again green candle followed by red. So right now it is at a good support. So I can see a good risk reward ratio for the buying opportunity. Right now I feel that 34,400 is acting as a good support here for the Dow Jones. It can give a upside for 34,900, and then 35,200 and 35,500. On the contrary, if it doesn't sustain uh, above 34,400 and it started going down, then the first target is 34,000 and second target is 33,420. This was all about Dow Jones. Now we will talk about S&P 500. For the S&P 500, same thing. We will first see the weekly chart, monthly chart. Monthly chart is showing a bearish engulfing. If we check the weekly is continuation of the downside. But if we see the daily is standing at a very important support line here, and that is of 4350. So 4350 is acting as a good support here. If it cross above that, sustain there, then 4,400 is first target, 4,430 is the second, and 4,500 is the third target. If we talk about the downside, then downside we have, if it stays below 4350, 4350, then 4300, 4250, the second, and the third is 4200. These are the three targets for the downside. And if you see here, right now it is at a very good support here. If you see the dotted uh, lines here, right, you can see here it is acting, it is staying at very good support here. The support number uh, we can say trend line support, the second here, third here, fourth here. So I'm expecting a high probability of going up from these levels. So this was all about three major indexes. In case you like this video, don't forget to uh, put the like, hit the like button and put the comment here. So let's go ahead and do the analysis of gold. Gold is continuously going down. uh, I was bullish on gold. I'm still bullish on gold, but I am looking for the level, as you all know, $2,000. If it is going above $2,000, then definitely we will be more bullish on the gold. It is also following the same pattern like Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P. Bearish candle on the weekly, monthly, bearish continuation on the weekly, and on the daily, I am seeing a reversal can be possible, because you all know I clearly mentioned that you can see here 1920 to 1900 is acting as a very important support for the gold. Right now it is at a support area of 1920 to 1900, you can see. And there is small candles it has created from last few days. uh, you can see here, uh, there are doji candles. On the Thursday it created doji, on Friday it created a doji, and I think that there can be one reversal for 1950, 1975, and 2000. These are the three targets which are possible. And if we talk about the downside, means if it doesn't sustain right above 1900, and if it starts going down, then I can see these three targets. These three targets are 1875, 1835, and 1800. These are the three targets which I'm expecting for the downside. Let's talk about silver now. For the silver, same thing. Let's adjust the chart first. You can see a bearishness on the monthly candle, bearish continuation, or not bearish continuation. Actually, it has created a doji on a weekly time frame, and a day time frame it has created some positive candles. So the silver chart looks quite uh, good for the buying opportunity. And you can see these dotted lines here, the trend line support. It has a good trend line support this place here, and it has created a trend line support here. So for the silver, I think the odds are good for the upside. I'm expecting that 22.50 is a good support here, the black line. The first target should be 23.50, second should be 24.50, and third should be 25.50. So these are the three targets for the upside. And for the downside, I am expecting a target of uh, 21.75 is the first target for the downside, 20.85 is the second target, and third target is 20. So friends, when I say about these targets, so the first target is the always we should look for. The second and third targets are if you are looking for, if you have good patience to hold. But it's always better to uh, take the benefit or profit of when the first target reaches. So this was all about all this index analysis today. So I am reading some stock market books nowadays. Uh, from my today's reading, I wanted to share two important points here. The first one is the market is not your mother. It consists of tough men and women who look for ways to take money away from you instead of pouring milk into your mouth. And the second important lesson I learned or from my reading, that the public always wants gurus, and new gurus will come. As an intelligent trader, you must realize that in the long run, no guru is going to make you rich. You have to work on that yourself. So this is all about today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until that, let's keep earning, keep learning. Bye bye.